Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program 2005 Jeep Liberty Key fob, full guide. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and keys ready. I will walk you through each step clearly and calmly so you can reprogram a fob without a dealer. Follow my timing cues and try the sequence twice if it does not take on the first attempt. Keep your spare key handy for verification. Now we begin step-by-step programming with calm pacing and clear cues, so please follow along. I will cue your timing for ignition cycles and button presses to sync the fob to the vehicle. If the first attempt fails, repeat the exact sequence once more, taking care with the timing of on and OFF positions. After programming, test locks, panic, and unlock functions from a short distance to confirm success. If this guide is helping you, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and keep your ride smelling great after a successful fob programming. I added a link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, keep calm and methodically retry steps with a fresh fob battery and precise timing. Double-check that every door and the hood and trunk are closed because open panels can block programming. If multiple fobs are involved, program them in the same session so the vehicle records each one. As a last resort, disconnecting the battery for a short time can reset modules and allow another clean attempt at programming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.